This one's called Cold Wind to Valhalla. And ride with us, young Monte lads, with the angels of the night. Crack wind clatter, flash rain bites on an outsized unicorn. Rough shot winging sky blue light. Going to Valhalla and join with us, please. Valkyrie maidens cry above the cold winds of Valhalla. Breakfast with the gods' night angels, with ice-bound majesty, frozen flaking fish on earth, in a cup of silver liquid fire. Moonjet ray beams split ceiling swerve, and light the whole above the cold winter rest upon the skies of Thor's trusty handmaidens. Midnight lonely whisper cries. We're getting a bit short on heroes. Sword snap bright white